Good afternoon, students. This is chemistry paper. Question number 1 is, which one of the following pairs will not form an ideal solution? Right? So first is benzene. Benzene is C6H6. And second is toluene. Toluene is C6H5CH3. Actually, both are non-polar. Non-polar. And only one carbon is different. Means this is ideal solution. Ideal solution. Second in N-hexane. Hexane means 6 carbon is there. C6H14 and heptane is C7H16, right? This is also a ideal solution because both are non-polar. Both are non-polar and one carbon difference between both of them. Third one is ethanol. Ethanol means C2H5OH. This is ethanol. And second is acetone. Acetone means CH3COCH3. In acetone, acetone is polar in nature. Acetone is polar in nature. While alcohol is also polar in nature, but the polarity or functional group is different. That is why the force of attraction between both is different. After combined ethanol and acetone, right? On here, hydrogen bonding is there. Hydrogen bonding. And on here, acetone means dipole-dipole interaction is there. Dipole-dipole interaction is there. Dipole-dipole interaction. Right? Oxygen carry negative charge and carbon carry positive charge. And after mixing it, C2H5OH, OH, hydrogen carry positive charge and oxygen carry negative charge. While then hydrogen is connected with this oxygen and oxygen is connected with this carbon. Hence, after mixing, they form hydrogen bonding. Means they are non-ideal solution. The third one is the right answer. And fourth is bromoethane and chloroethane means C2H5Br and C2H5Cl. This is also a ideal solution because both are non-polar. Right? Answer is C is the right answer. Question number 2. NaCl is doped with SrCl2. SrCl2, Sr carry +2 charge. While NaCl, Cl carry +1 charge. It means 1 Cr2 plus displace 2 Na plus ion. Right? It means there are 2 plus charges there, Na plus 2 and Na plus 2. When Sr displace 2 NaCl ions means 1 Sr2 plus occupy 1 lattice site and this one is negative charge and third one is vacant means 1 cation vacancy is there. 1 cation vacancy is there because Cl and Cl no effect in the case of negative charge. Then cation vacancy is created means B is the right answer. Question number 3. What is the structure of oleum? Oleum, what is the formula of oleum? Is H2S2O7. This is the formula of oleum. And the structure is this one. H2, 2 H is there, double bond, and single bond O, S, double bond O, OH, and on here double bond is there, right? So this is the formula of this is the structure of oleum and the formula of oleum is H2S2O7. So D is the right answer. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, what is the bond angle in ether? Right? Ether means oxygen is there, two lone pair is present, and ether means CS3 and CS3 group is there. So sp3 hybridized because two lone pair and two bond pair is there, right? But in case of ether, two bulky group is there, two bulky group, right? Two bulky group means CS3 means R group is there, and R dash means CS3 maybe same or different. R group may be same or different, means R equal to R dash or R may be different from R dash, right? So two bulky group is there because on here repulsion dominates. Repulsion hai R and R dash, repulsion dominate. Then the bond angle will be increased, right? In normal case sp3, the bond angle is 109 degree and 28 minutes. But in case of ether, two bulky group is there. In case of ether, two bulky group is there, then the angle will be slightly increased, and the angle will be 101 degree. So first is the right answer. Question number 5. Which of the following reagent will not convert ethyl alcohol to ethyl chloride? Ethyl alcohol means C2H5OH and chloride means C2H5Cl. The answer is NaCl. NaCl does not convert. NaCl does not convert the alcohol into ethyl chloride. And rest of PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2, and this is Lucas reagent, change the alcohol into chloride, right? The answer is B is the right answer of 5th question. And the question number 6. Question number 6 is, nucleotides are the composed of. Nucleotides. Actually, nucleotides is nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, and phosphoric acid. All are there. All are there. Clear? So answer of 6 is B is the right answer. Actually, what is nucleotides? Nucleotides means nucleosides plus phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. And what is nucleosides? Nucleosides is nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar plus phosphoric acid. Then the answer D is right. Question number 7. Question number 7. The oxidation state of -3 is least stable. We know that -3 means gain of electron, right? And on moving top to bottom, accepting a gaining capacity is decrease, right? Means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, and bismuth. So on moving top to bottom, size increases, electronegativity decreases, means tendency to accept electron decreases. So answer is least stable is bismuth is the right answer. Question number 8. Amorphous solid may also be classified as supercooled liquid. means it has a tendency to flow, tendency to flow very slowly, tendency to very slowly. Amorphous solid have a tendency to flow very solid, and it is also called supercooled liquid. Supercooled liquid. Answer C is right. And question number 9 is, question number 9 is, which of the following reagent should be used to carry out the above conversion? Right? On here, which one? Only one change is there because similarity is there, similarity is there, similarity is there, similarity is there. Only one change is there, that is ketone. Right? Ketone is converted into alcohol. OH group is there. OH means addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. Right? Addition of hydrogen is there. Then in case of ketone, uh, reducing agent is preferred. Reducing agent is preferred. Right? Reducing agent is preferred. Then there are two reducing agent, 1 and 2. Both are reducing agent, but in case of ketone, NaBH4 reduce the ketone into alcohol. Answer is B. Clear? NaBH4 is the right answer. And in case of 10th question, the azeotropic solution of two liquid has a boiling point higher than either of two. Right? Boiling point is higher than either of two. Means, suppose the example is water plus nitric acid, HNO3. Right? This is the example of negative deviation. Negative deviation. Negative deviation from Raoult's law. Negative deviation from Raoult's law. Negative deviation from Raoult's law. Clear? This is the right answer. On here, boiling point of azeotropic mixture is higher than. Boiling point of mixture is higher than its component. Its component. The answer is negative deviation. In case of positive deviation, the boiling point of mixture is lesser than its component. Boiling point of mixture is lesser than its component. Then positive deviation. Right? So in 10th, A is the right answer. Question number 11. Question number 11. Which of the following crystal will show metal deficiency defect? Right? Metal deficiency defect means the metal which show variable valency. We show variable valency. We show variable valency. And on here, we know that iron show variable valency. 2 plus and 3 plus means 2 Fe3 plus displays 2 Fe2 plus. Then it form approximate 0.730. Right? Because Fe higher valency of iron displays the lower valency of iron. Right? So hence the answer is C is the right answer. Question number 12. Phenol on heating with concentrated H2SO4. Phenol is this one is phenol, and on heated with concentrated H2SO4. Then concentrated SO4, so then it form picric acid. Means nitro group will be attached on 2, 4 and 6 position. If this OH is one position, get one position, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, means 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol is the right answer. So B is the right answer. Question number 13. Question number 13 is oxygen O3, ozone, is react with iodine, right? Then it form O3 plus I2, iodine. In case of Ki, it is on here, minus charge is there and 0 is there. Means oxidation in case of, and ozone reduced to form oxygen. Ozone reduced to form oxygen, right? Reduction is there and oxidation is there. Means answer is 4 hai, both O2 and I2. Means D is the right answer. Question number 14. Alpha D glucose and beta D glucose differ from each other with respect to. With respect to. Answer is configuration at the C1 carbon. C1 carbon. Because in case of alpha glucose, in case of alpha glucose, OH is present in lower direction, while in case of beta, OH group at C1 position is present at the upper side. Clear? So C1 position is differ in case of alpha and beta glucose. Means B is the right answer. Question number 15. Question number 15 is Lucas reagent produces cloudiness immediately with. Lucas reagent means this is the combination of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. This is Lucas reagent, right? Concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. It follow SN1 reaction. It follow SN1 reaction. And in case of SN reaction, it follow tertiary reactivities, tertiary, secondary, and primary. Mean in case of tertiary alcohol mixed with Lucas reagent, then turbidity immediately. And in case of secondary, turbidity after 5 minutes. While in case of primary, there is no turbidity. Means which one is tertiary? This one is tertiary carbocation, tertiary alcohol. This one is secondary alcohol. This one is primary alcohol, and this one is primary alcohol. Means A is the right answer. Question number 16. Question number 16 is which of the following is most reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction? Most reactive. Nucleophilic means Cl is displaced from here. So with increase the electron withdrawing group, and NO2 is electron withdrawing group. Number of NO2 group is greater, means more reactivity. Because they withdraw the electron from this compound. Withdraw the electron from this one, and the bond between C and Cl makes weak because of this electron withdrawing group, weak. Hence the answer is D is the right answer. Then the question number 17 is, pressure does not have any significant effect on solubility of solid in liquid because pressure does not affect means what is the reason behind this solid and liquid? Answer is D, because solid and liquids are highly incompressible, means no effect of pressure, because solid and liquid is highly incompressible, then no effect of pressure. Answer is D. And question number 18, what is the main product in the following reaction? Br2 in presence of heat or light, always it gives free radical, and through free radical we prefer always secondary, tertiary and primary, right? And it displays hydrogen, but which hydrogen is displaced by from here? This one is primary carbon and this one is secondary carbon. So always secondary hydrogen is displaced because of stability, means in presence of free radical, this is phenol, benzene ring, nitro group is there. So this one is primary, secondary carbon. On here, hydrogen is replaced from the secondary carbon. Why? Because secondary free radical is more stable as compared to primary, right? Then the answer is C is the right answer. In case of heat, Br2 never attached with ring. So first and second is wrong, and in second case Br is attached with primary carbon, which is minor, and the major product is C. Question number 19. Question number 19 is, which of the following forms strong p-pi bonding? Strong p-pi bonding, right? Strong p-pi bonding, then nitrogen. Which of the following pair forms strong? Nitrogen, because of small size and absence of d orbital. Nitrogen have only 7 electron, means 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3, right? So 2d is not possible, and because of small size, nitrogen have triple bond, means 2 pi electron is there, right? Strong p-pi bonding in case of nitrogen, because on moving top to bottom, size increases, ps as sb. On moving top to bottom, size increases, and the p-pi bonding will be weak, because p-pi bonding is formed due to overlapping. Question number 20. Which of the following halogens can replace all other halogen from its compound? Right? F2, Cl2, Br2 and I2. Then the answer is fluorine, because fluorine is more reactive among all, more reactive. And reactivity of fluorine is greater than fluorine react all halogen Cl, Br, I from its compound because of its reactivity. A is the right answer. Question number 21. The functional unit which repeat in the protein molecule is peptide linkage. In case of protein means C, R, NH2 and COOH, right? On here NH2 bond is there, so hydrogen, and in another case CRNH H is there and COOH, and again this one is amino acid, amino acid, and second one is also amino acid, OHC double bond O, CR and NH2, right? So H2O is removed from here, then it form NHCO bond, and NHCO bond is called peptide bond. Yani C is the right answer. Question number 22. The lowest boiling point of helium is, in case of helium is noble gas. Helium is noble gas. And there is no any type of forces there. No force exists. So because of no force, this is non-polar. Non-polar, only one force exists between non-polar, and that is dispersive force. This is the weakest force. Dispersion force. Dispersion force or London force. London or dispersion force is there. Means answer is D. Clear? Next one is the answer of 22 is D answer. Question number 23. 23. Question number 23 is this compound is formed CH3 whole thrice CO and CH2CH3. Means CH3 on here C, and this is tertiary carbocation is formed. Tertiary carbocation and CH2CH3, right? So you have two options. First one is C carry positive charge and second one is C carry positive charge. Oxygen always carry negative charge. But this carbon is tertiary carbocation and this one is primary carbocation. So we know that tertiary carbocation is more stable. Tertiary carbocation is more stable. Then CO bond will be breakdown from here, right? Because tertiary carbocation is more stable. And H carry positive charge while I carry negative charge, right? Then I is attached to tertiary carbocation while hydrogen is attached to oxygen atom. Then the compound will be CH3 CH2OH, and second one is CH3 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 and I, right? The answer is A is the right answer. Question number 23. A is the right answer. And question number 24. Question number 24 is 24 osmotic pressure. Question number 24 osmotic pressure is directly, we know that the formula of osmotic pressure is CRT, right? And pi v is equal to nRT. Means this is a colligative property. Osmotic pressure is a colligative property, and colligative properties always depend on the number of solute particle. A solute molecule, a number of moles of solute always. Means B is the right answer. Clear? 24 answer is B. And question number 25. Chlorine react with hot and concentrated NaOH. Hot and concentrated NaOH. So chlorine Cl2 plus NaOH, hot and concentrated. Hot and concentrated NaOH, then it form NaCl, sodium chloride and sodium chlorate. Means D is the right answer. In case of cold and diluted, in case of cold and diluted NaOH, it form NaCl and NaClO, hypochlorite, right? But on here, hot and concentrated NaOH is there. Means the answer is NaCl and NaClO3. Means sodium chloride and sodium chlorate. So D is the right answer. And question number 26. Question number 26 is, vapor pressure of dilute aqueous solution of glucose is, vapor pressure of dilute aqueous solution of glucose is this one. ठीक है, तो मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉल्यूट इज, देखो वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन मींस विच वन इज गिवन, वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन, तो सॉल्यूशन है आपका वेपर प्रेशर मींस P and dilute solution of glucose means Pg is equal to 750 mm, and mole fraction of solute is, mole fraction of solute is what is, mole fraction of solute means glucose is what, so what is the relationship between these two? ठीक है, तो we apply always Raoult's law, Raoult's law, ठीक है, and glucose is non-volatile solute, so what will be the formula? P naught minus PS upon P naught is equal to WB into MA upon WA into MB, right? And aqueous solution means water is there, right? And mole fraction means डायरेक्ट निकालना है इसको, P naught minus PS upon P naught is equal to mole fraction of solute means XDs, right? And the water vapor pressure of water is, we know that 760 mm, right, at 373 because of 1 atmospheric pressure, so 760 mm P naught is there, then 760 minus 750 upon 760 means 10 upon 760, 10 से 10 cancel out हो जाएगा, then the answer is 1 upon 76 means C is the right answer. देखो, because glucose is non-volatile solute, right? Then we applied the relative loading of vapor pressure, then the answer is 1 upon 76 means C is the right answer. Question number 27. Question number 27. The base that are common in both DNA and RNA. So DNA and RNA, which one is right? Because in RNA, uracil is there, and in DNA, thymine is there in presence of uracil, right? On here uracil, on here uracil, on here thymine means B, C, and D is wrong answer. Only A is right answer. Question number 28. Question number 28. Question number 28 is, a compound X with the molecular formula C3H8O, C3H8O, right, can be oxidized to another compound whose molecular formula is C3S6O2. Compound X will be, या maybe, ठीक है, तो what will be the right answer? Actually, what will be, on here only one oxygen is there, one oxygen, and on here two oxygen is there, means this will be aldehyde or alcohol, right? In case of alcohol, right, this one, this is the alcohol, CS3, CS2, CS2OH, and on oxidation, it form acid, means CS3, CS2, COOH, right? With strong reducing agent, sorry, strong oxidizing agent like KMNO4. Then the answer is C is the right answer. Alcohol on oxidation, it gives acid, and this is the formula of acid. Means the answer of 28 is C is the right answer.